Nice one, guys. So basically, I am back in the kitchen. Okay? I'm back in the kitchen with another recipe which I'm gonna share with you guys today. Now, these are some very healthy drink, and trust me, it's amazing of things what you can do with this kind of drink. I will help you to share with you some information in the description box, which you can also read up on the benefit of ginger, lemon and cucumber, and some organic honey. Now, it is a powerful drink, 1,000,000%. I will encourage you, get yourself, the best thing is to get yourself some organic ingredients like what I have right here. Now, first thing what I'm gonna do, all right, I got the cucumber. I'm gonna remove the skin from the cucumber, all right. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. You don't have to remove the skin from the cucumber, but sometimes, although it's organic, it said organic, you don't know where it's coming from, you don't know who, you know what I mean? So most of the time, I'm always removing the skin from my ingredients. That's where a lot of people are like, Chef Ricardo, why you do it? Then once you remove the skin, all right, you want to simple cut up your ingredients and put it into the blender like this. All right. So right there, that's the cucumber. All right. Now we're gonna get a nice little piece of a ginger. Ginger is very good and got a lot of health benefit also. So I'm going to remove the skin from the ginger. Now you can look at this ginger. You can see it's proper, fresh, organic ginger. All right. Now what we're gonna do, I'm going to cut it up into some small pieces like this and put it straight into my blender. Now I have half of a lemon, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the skin from the lemon. So once you cut it up like this, you're going to put it straight inside of your blender. All right, and it's going to be super easy and simple. Now the beautiful thing about this recipe right here is all about some organic honey. You need to get into it. All right, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to squeeze roughly about half a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. Lovely. Nice one. All right. Now, once you put in the honey, I'm gonna put some water inside of it, roughly about half cups of water inside of it. All right. Now, I must say to you guys, it's a beautiful recipe, but there are things which you want to need to do, like you want to run it through your strainer once you blend it. So I'm going to take it to the blend and I'm going to blend this and then we're going to run it through our strainer. All right. So let's make some noise. Beautiful. So once you blend it, then you're gonna run it through your strainer like this. And to be honest with you, it's such a beautiful recipe, which I know you guys will love this one. Run it through your strainer, get it strained. And this is what you want to do. Nice one. Then once you do this, it's going to look like this. Pour it in this. All right. And drink this 6 to 7.5 hours right here you're looking at. Now, you want to drink this before you go to your bed, like roughly about 15 to 20 minutes before you go to bed. Honestly, guys, these drinks are very healthy. And as I said, the recipe is a very simple recipe. And it is something which, not only that alone, it's got a lot more health benefit of more than what you guys would be thinking. But to 1,000,000%, I would encourage you just to give it a try and see exactly what do you think. All right. Now, if you like the recipe, I would encourage you to leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And remember, these ingredients are very local, where you can go to your local shop, your local supermarket, and get it to buy. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you the honest truth, guys. Me personally, I love my cucumber and I love my ginger and my lemon juice. I've been drinking this for a very long time. And not only that, it got a lot more information which it can also help you with, like high blood pressure, you know what I mean, like your sugar level. But if you're going to drink it for all that kind of reason, do not use the honey inside of it. You just try and drink it naturally and more organic. All right. Trust me. But I would encourage you to leave your comments in the description box. And please tell me exactly what do you think about this on an amazing, incredible drink. Something different from Chef Ricardo, which I love to share with you. I have a few more ingredients which I will be sharing with you, and hopefully you guys will love them. I try to do these things organic way because it's important for you guys to do it